from Cleveland's most accurate weather team. This is 19 First Alert Plus, sponsored by the man that makes them pay, Tim Misney.
Hello there, giving you a view from Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse. Jason Nicholas joining me as per usual on a very cold night tonight, Jason.
Yes.
The temperature, a lot of the, you see that like feels like, is like, all that stuff. This one, regardless, it was cold. Didn't matter what it feels like or what it actually was. It was tough.
Yeah. Air temperatures in the teens, and then with that wind, it still feels like, single digits, wind chill. So, yeah, something we talked about all week long that really we bottom out early this morning through the day today, and then again tonight before we do start to turn the corner a little bit, at least in the short term as we head into the upcoming weekend. Live look, certainly better than last night. We had that fresh coat of snow last night, but tonight drier, and it is certainly chilly out there. We're looking at widespread numbers here in the upper teens, so there definitely is a chill in the air. We've got a winter weather advisory in purple there for lake, and then a winter or a lake effect snow warning for Ashtabula due to the potential for this little band you see right here, perhaps strengthening and then moving on shore overnight. Some of our forecast models have been hinting at that, so we've had to keep the alert going tonight, First Alert Weather Night, as well as these advisories from the Weather Service. Wider picture shows the cold air certainly in place. It is cold. In fact, the closest warm spot, really, you have to travel well to the south and west. I mean, this cold's all the way down Dallas in the mid-50s. But there's your core of the cold air sitting right about here. And it's basically going to meander itself to the east a little bit, but it's not. We're not going to get as cold as Minneapolis and Fargo are. We're basically getting our coldest right now in the teens. With wind chills, though, it certainly feels colder than that. Some lake effect overnight across our snow belt. Can't rule out a few morning flakes, and then as we head through the afternoon, expect some sunshine and chilly air. Saturday looks really good. Look at Saturday afternoon. We could be into the upper 30s and low 40s. And then here comes the rain on Sunday with showers around. Hour by hour here, 21. That's downtown. Obviously, it's colder out at Hopkins, away from the lake. And we basically settle in the mid-teens tonight, so a cold one. We'll have plenty of sunshine tomorrow, kind of like today, with the best chance of any accumulating snow overnight across our snow belt. So southwest winds are key because that'll push that lake effect out. But I still do think we get a little bit overnight. All right, coming up, we'll take a look at our double weekend forecast, which does include a pretty good warm-up there, Jeff.
I've represented families just like yours for over 4 decades. Listen, if you need me, call me. You know I'll be there for you, and I'll make them pay. In the meantime, I'll keep an eye out for you.
All right, 27 on Friday, cold with some sun. Can't rule out a few early flakes. Saturday looks good. Morning sun, afternoon clouds, showers around Sunday, Monday, late day rain. Few showers Tuesday. Front comes in mid next week. That'll cool us off to near 40 on Wednesday and then back into the upper 30s Thursday. Could have some snow around next Friday, and then next weekend is trending colder with temps in the 20s and into the 30s. Now that's next weekend, so we're talking about the weekend of the 21st and 22nd. Does look pretty cold. Does that cold air stick around for Christmas? We'll see. I think we'll probably encounter a little bit of a warming trend back up, maybe in time for Christmas. We'll see. It'll be close because it does look like we get cold the following weekend.
So if it's not a white Christmas, it might be a frigidly cold Christmas, depending.
We'll see. I think that we'll take a look at these trends as we get closer. In fact, we can look at the long term here. Let's briefly look at that. I know you like to do that. And that'll give us kind of an indication of what we're dealing with. Okay, so colder than normal because I do think we're going to have a pretty big dip here, most likely end of next week into next weekend, which will bring some cold air down. But then remember, we've got this warm air out here. So how long does this linger? Normally 2, 3, 4 days, and it moves out, which would then warm us up for Christmas time. We'll see on that. Again, a lot can happen here in the next few days and really the next week or so to give us an idea of that.
And that's compared to normal.
Compared to normal, right.
Yeah, what we were showing there, yeah. Just like to remind the folks. All right, Jason, we'll see you on TV.
Sounds good.
And that is it for your First Alert forecast. 19 News, 10 o'clock the CW, 11 o'clock CBS. See everybody in a little bit.
19 News, now streaming on Samsung Smart TV.